Alright, we're out here with Sergio. Yo, what the fuck are we doing out here, Sergio?
Install some coilovers in under 2 hours.
In under 10 minutes? Oh shoot, dude, some nice coilers you got here, brother.
Those are TEINs.
TEIN?
Yep.
The green machine, huh?
Green machine, the Dampachi of the East.
What, Tamponchi?
Dampachi, bro.
Tamponchi, bro.
At 11th hour, installing a set of TEIN coilovers into this RX-8 because guess what we're doing tomorrow? We're gonna go drifting! We're gonna install them. Quick, lickety split. Let's go.
Yeah, fast.
And
Okay.
that's the rear, dude. That's not.
Oh, this doesn't go in the front?
No, come on.
Come on, bro. Put that shit back. Stop playing around. Yo, stop playing around, man. Let's get fucking serious. Alright?
Serious.
With your fucking retarded magic Dorito shirt.
Serious.
No, go do yours. Don't worry. Just one side at a time. One man on a side.
I heard that.
Dust shield.
Yeah, the dust shield went.
That hurt! Alice, what are you doing to me?
You shouldn't even have dust shields technically.
I want it.
More cool.
Yep.
Bro, you're not gonna make it in NASCAR.
Shut the fuck up.
Or Formula 1.
We'll make it in that.
I don't need to make it because I'm not a pit crew. I'm a driver.
You heard what he said, John? He said.
Damn, look at these tires, bro.
John, you know what he said? He said, "Fuck your shit."
He doesn't know who I am, bro.
Cool, dude. Sweet.
Nice.
All right, put it underneath the car. Lay it on the side. Lay
Yeah,
it
just in case it falls on you.
Okay, great.
Lay it flat.
And then it's gonna fuck up the tire. Okay, whatever.
Better than fucking up your face.
Behind the tire. Why would you do that? What's up? We got one coilover done. 1 out of 4, right, Alex?
And we learned the process now. So
We learned
that's
the
good.
process.
The process is most important. Give me that 17 on top of the car.
You want that big crazy guy?
Yeah, and bring the big crazy guy. I'm just gonna take your.
They just installed the driver's side coilover. It was a learning experience here. I don't know, this guy over here was fucking working on a welded fucking nut and shit. But it's all good, you know? But it's on there.
We'll have both of us to get weird. All right, let's get this big deal on.
Okay, hold on.
Now to the other side, huh?
First car for the first time. We did 17 though. What's that 7?
Hey, you're gonna take you around.
Where's the 17, sir?
This race was right here, bro.
Came sideways.
Up by teams.
Yeah, guys, so getting ready for race wars. Fucking Sergio, can't think I was screwed. This is rust, bro. How is this rust in between screws? Piss on it for loop dudes or something. Mexico.
We out here drinking some
There.
You got it?
Yeah.
You got it, brother?
It's like almost there.
It's like a fucking inch.
Shit, man.
Just bring me one. What's up?
Yeah, talk off the trees so they sink it.
Alright, let's see. Where did you fuck up over here, bro? Can you tell me?
I didn't fuck up on anything, bro.
You didn't turn the steering wheel. That's what it was, right?
Was it the steering?
You get it just
No, it was the steering wheel, right?
They're already adjusted.
Whatever. It was something.
where it is.
Alex says it wasn't the steering wheel.
In the manual, they tell you where.
I mean, as soon as you turned it,
already
we
measured
got it out.
everything.
Alright.
It's already-
Is that true?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, didn't it
Tell you
happen?
how,
Yeah.
how to
So-
the centerpiece and then the
So we forgot the steering wheel.
I don't think the steering wheel
I
did
think it's fucking it worked after we moved it.
it worked because Craig jumped on it. Craig's a big boy.
Okay, let's remember like this.
Hey, Pat, put that shit on already, vato.
Let's remember. Let's go. Okay, that's it.
Welcome guys to another episode of the Shake and Bake. I'm Alex and I'm here with Sergio, the owner of the 2004 RX-8.
2004. Yeah.
2004 RX-8. So, last we left off, we were installing a set of coilovers, TEIN coilovers on the RX-8, and we're here with Sergio to just get some feedback from him. he had an opportunity to do a drift event last weekend. Shakedown, right? And then we did a lot of daily driving with the car. Also, we did a canyon cruise on Christmas.
Yeah, Christmas Day.
Which was, give us a little bit of feedback on what you think with the coilovers now and how's the car feel in your response.
Wow, well, it's like kind of like day and night type of feel. I mean, originally we were on just like the standard coilovers, and those were also made in Japan, but they were OEM spec for the height. And then I remember when we installed it, you helped me to set up the height.
Yeah, we set it up.
Which was from recommended by TEIN settings. And the spring rates, a lot of people may think that they're like, because it's 7.5.
7 in the front, 5 in the rear.
Exactly.
Okay, cool.
So, but
and these are these TEINs, the models?
The Flex C.
The Flex Z?
Flex
okay,
Z.
cool.
Flex Z like zebra.
Yeah. Oh, Flex Z like zebra. Okay, awesome. Very cool. And so previously the car was just stock strut and springs, right?
Yeah, right. Exactly.
Okay.
No coil.
And so we installed the coilovers, and the car response, does it just feel live? Like, what's your biggest enhancement here?
Well, I mean, you know, for the looks, you know, the slight lowering that it did, actually it did a pretty good.
Yeah, it lowered it like a good 3 inches almost, because we were we were sitting about here before.
Yeah, like about right there, right?
So now we're sitting lower, so that helps with the center of gravity, of course.
Yeah, but I mean, as far as the damping going over bumps, you know, also the feel when you're actually in a drift, there's no roll. I mean,
no more body roll.
No more body roll, which would kick me out of the. You know,
right, throw you off.
Yeah.
So now the car's more planted. It's a lot more like responsive, and I guess you're getting like a better feel for like the actual dynamics of this particular chassis, right?
Yeah, and I mean the Flex Z has the 16 adjustment.
16-way adjustment.
16-way adjustment, and I actually feel every one of those clicks. Like
so every time you go stiffer or softer, you actually feel it.
Right. So like
that's what you did a lot testing at the track, right?
Yeah, we were testing it a lot because I wanted to have like a controlled drift that I could keep it going for the figure eights.
Right.
Figure eight.
So you could keep transitioning smoothly and consistently, right?
Yeah, and I was able to get like a 2-minute like full figure eight transition.
Oh wow! So you were doing figure eights nonstop for 2 minutes. That's awesome.
Yeah. When I checked the video, my video. So that means that I mean like as far as like, you know, what I could do before, I couldn't even do a figure eight. I could barely do a figure eight.
Yeah. Because you had so much body roll that it was basically causing your car to like over rotate.
Exactly. Yeah. And I mean, as far as like the canyon run or anything grip related, I haven't taken it on a grip. I took the car before we did the coils.
Right. You did Autoplug Speedway on the stock suspension. So your next trial is going to be to take it to a grip event.
Exactly. Yeah. But as far as like as far as like the feel, you know, it's not spongy anymore. It's not it's not at all like no body roll. I mean, it's really well planted, really solid, and I love the TEIN. I mean, for me, I mean, I'm really liking the spring settings and the adjustment on it. So I mean, it's just see what's next. I mean, what's going to be after this? We'll install the EDFC.
EDFC, which gives you that on-the-fly adjustment of the actual damper settings. You can stiffen it and soften it from inside the car. So we actually will be recording that. That'll be one of the next videos with Sergio's RX-8. We're going to be doing the EDFC install, and then we're going to show you guys how that system works. It's actually very, very cool.
Sleek.
Very sleek, and gives you the ability to actually have preset adjustments if you want to have a setup for just cruising, or if you want to have a setup for grip, or if you want to have a setup for drift. So it gives you like, you know, it's kind of cool. You have those presets you can kind of mess with, and you can actually just on the fly hit a button and boom, it gets you locked into that particular setting for you, you know?
Yeah, and actually like right now, as it stands, I don't really exactly know what the settings are, but with the EDFC we'll be able to really...
It gives you a visual reference of what your setting is, so that's cool. Awesome.
Yeah, but I love them. I mean, it's like, for me it was for the money that I spent on the car, this is like the best.
This is the best upgrade so far.
Yeah. Okay. Other than rebuilding the engine.
Right. But I mean, so basically, upgraded coilover suspension. Sergio loves it.
Yeah.
TEINs are performing amazingly well here, and we're looking forward to seeing what next upgrades we got in the queue for it. But anyway, thanks again for your time, brother.
For sure.
And good stuff. Good job.
Sweet.
Like, subscribe, and comment, baby. There you go.